Well, excuse me. Well, before I can, okay, so I got the wing off. Before I can do anything, I sort of got to make a place or a temporary location for this ESC. ESC. So I'm thinking right here. Hook the motor up. I can still get inside the cowling. Now, the battery's going to be out here somewhere for sure. So I'm going to leave the leads here for now. So I'm just going to use a simple mount here. I'm just going to strap it down. Nothing high tech about the mount, that's for sure. Strap on each side here. Oh, maybe that strap won't hold that very good, eh? Huh. Darn, those capacitors I want to grab right there. Okay. Let's figure this out different then, huh? Interesting. Well, that wasn't a very good idea, was it? I guess you can't see. Okay, so before I go any further, I got this here. I gotta mount the speed control on here somewhere. So I'm thinking on the bottom here we'll mount it. I think I'll just make a wood plate for it. And we can attach it right there to the wood plate. But I have to do that before I get the receiver inside there. So I'll build the wooden plate and I'll be right back. Okay, so take a piece of wood, 2 twist ties, mounted that right there. Now I'll get 2 pieces of Velcro, and I'm still going to use some securing. And you know, I've learned in the past by using Velcro on things that get hot sometimes the glue comes loose, okay? So you gotta be careful. And so what I do is right off the bat, I'm not going to completely rely on the glue from the Velcro. You see I applied some CA glue. Actually that's thin. A few drops of the medium there. Okay, so, oops, sorry guys, didn't mean to bump you. Oh yeah, see it come up. Try some kicker. Any more kicker in my bottle. Okay, well, that's okay. Go on that. Okay, so, look at that. Okay, well, I'll be right back. I gotta put some kicker in my bottle. Okay, so I got some kicker. So, well, apply a little glue to this side of the Well, I got a second. Oh, I'm trying to do something else here. You know what I want to do? I want to take this sticker off. There we go. There we go. That's all I wanted. Now I'll glue my Velcro one. I was just worried there, you know. I thought about it. There's no way to tell what size this ESC is once I CA glue my Velcro one. You'll never see it under there. Okay. Now we'll put that Velcro in place, hold it, and a little kicker. Okay, that was a lot of kicker. Okay. So, wait a second here. You can really tell when Crazy Glue sets fast. It gets hot. So, it's dry, but you know what? The sticker, I'm going to put it off to the side there, okay? So, that going there. This here has to come inside. To the receiver, right? That's there. And I mean, I know the Velcro is not going to hold this ESC in place. So we're going to go very safe here. This doesn't have to be on really tight. That's sure going to hold it in place. You know? Okay? Now, for these tests and stuff, I sure don't want to hook my motor up. There we go. We got the ESC mounted, you could say. It might be in a place where it can stay. We'll see where we're going to put the battery. But I'll be right back. So, ESC here. I have my wires here for my elevator and rudder. Now I'm wondering if I have a short extension. I have a longer extension here. Just handy. You know. No. A couple short ones. Oh well. There's a couple short ones. I want this here for though. That's where I plug my radio equipment in. And test my ailerons. Right? But I don't want to have the you could say the wing on. So here we go. An extension for that. So I'm going to be using a Hobby King orange satellite, orange with one of their satellite receivers, and a capacitor on, just in case we have a problem with a brownout. That'll solve that problem. The only issue I've never lost an airplane because of these. Lost many of airplanes because I've crashed. But I have never, honestly, lost one because of the radio. So let's get everything plugged in here, and I'll bind this up to the radio. That's the elevator. And this one is the rudder. Nope. Still gotta mount this stuff in the airplane. I'll get it all on the binding here. Make sure that everything is working. The satellite works. Okay, so the battery I'm going to use, the 3300 milliamp 4 cell. That's a 30C, so that's 40C discharge. I haven't decided where it goes. I'll hook everything up, put it together, and then I'll use the battery to balance it, to find the proper CG. Okay, so I'm not going to turn the radio on. That's not how we bind things, is it? First things first, I'm going to send power to the receiver. It's just a flashing away. It's in bind mode. So, I'm going to turn my transmitter on and it binds. There we go. Okay. We have it bound. There we go. Well, the first time it comes alive, you guys. How's that, eh? That's good. My ailerons are just a hair out. Oh, darn. I can trim them in though. That brings them in. That'll do it. That'll do it. So, there we go. Okay, so I'm going to unplug the battery. And pull that bind plug out. You know how many times I've forgotten this little bind plug in there? And then turn the system on again, gosh darn it. Just to find that it won't turn on for some reason. You got to bind it again. Yeah, exactly. Okay, so with that all up and running, now I want to adjust everything, right? So we're going to have to find, I think, somewhere in here to mount my receiver and parts, right? Take that out of the way for now. And take a peek in here. I want to see where I want to mount my receiver and stuff. I'll get that done and I'll show you where I mounted it.